Hey everyone, now it's time to compare the scan results when using and not using the Java agent. Let's play. Click on the Start Page tab. If you notice, you already have one URL highlighted. Highlight the other URL. In this case, it would be fortify202.myhome.com :8080/marathon-2. That's the scan you're going to compare to the original scan. Make that selection. Now select Compare. And there you go. Now you can compare the results. Pretty cool, right?